So guys, we are finally at the car shop. I can feel the people coming up for leaves, never far. So guys, we're finally at the Sandayaw, which is alright just now. And here's my sister, Charlotte. She's just waiting for her boss, Mr. Louis. And he's there. Oh my god. I'm so scared of Mr. Louis because the first time that we met was literally 7 minutes ago. And I couldn't speak to him. And he always talked to me in French. It's kind of similar to water balloon. Yep. Kind of like an amusement park. We are currently at the Sandayaw Park. We're just walking around doing some tourist thing. There are a lot of people. And my sister trying to take a picture. Let me tell you about my sister ODD. These are fans. Sarah, Pomelo. I don't know where she got that top from. Asian. Here's Sean. My sister took a few photos. I didn't take any because I don't feel like taking any photos right here. I feel like I'm not familiar with this whole vibe because I haven't stayed in my room for really a long time, and now I'm out. Kinda unfamiliar with these whole new things. Yes. And I can't swim. So probably sit down, lay bed, and watch them swim. And there are a lot of people in the pool. Oh my god. Finally found a group of jack. Wait. I just remember that I didn't give you guys the OOTD, aka outfit check, Asian Platinum, Puss and Bear. This, oh my god, how to show it. This pen, I got this from Bell Pen. This is a Bell Pen. This pen, I got this from Masherry. This weather kind of remind me of IU Lilac. Lilac. I know if you are Koreans. It was fun watching people playing in the pool even though I wasn't able to get into water. Yeah, and my sister just got out of shower. It is my turn to shower. So we will see in the next 45 minutes.
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay à été
Pomme. Pomme.
So guys, this is the second outfit. I want to do a little bit of outfit check. This is from a vintage shop in Peking, and the necklace is from my sister, and this little necklace is from Fluorescent Accessory. The top is from Cotton. It came with a set with the top that I wore all a year ago, and the cardigan is from Tall and Sandayaw. I don't exactly know the shop. For a bubble tea shot because I am craving bubble tea so much. What? Yes, the moon looks so pretty. Where is it? fellow beautiful humans and those who are my subscribers, if you love handmade bag, crochet bag and keychain and so on, I have good news for you. That is, I order a customized checker, kind of like a checker crochet bag from Tranny Hat. These are the packages now. These are in my hand. I will show you how it looked like in real life, and I will be doing an unboxing video added to this vlog. Yeah, and here is a Tranny Hat page. If you want to give it a thumbs up, just give it to them. And also, some people are asking me about my Instagram account. That's a long story, but I will try to shorten it as far as I can. Around October, yeah, like 2 months ago, I was very depressed as per usual. I deactivated my account. I do it very often, but this time I couldn't log in back to my account. Yes, I couldn't log in back to my account. So I tried to send tons of email to Instagram support team and they haven't replied me yet. It's not like I deleted my account. It's more like there was a more function in logging back to my account. So I don't know what is going on, but I will try to keep updated. But if I really had to create a new account, I don't want to, but I want to give it some good amount of time in creating a new account. But however, if I really had to, I will. But I will wait. Let's see what Instagram support center will do for me. Yes, okay. Back to Tranny Hat. They make good quality and affordable crochet bag, keychain, and teeny little tiny gift that you want to give it to your loved ones. Yeah, I will show you guys how it look like in real life. And they also sent me a gift. I'm very excited. Yes, let's dive into it.
네가 좀 싫다면 난 하지 않을게 girl. 네가 날 볼 때 난 숨을 죽이는 girl.